Don't be fooled by the extravagant look. These luxurious, non-slip car floor mats with FH Group patented design will protect your vehicle's interior in any weather. These heavy-duty mats are crafted of faux leather with cushy built-in padding for added comfort and support. The universal shape is designed to fit most vehicles, and our signature anti-skid textured backing keeps the mats exactly where you want them. The rugged heel pad is made of PVC rubber with reinforced stitching, durably built to stand up to the harsh scuffing of heavy boots and shoes. The mats are super light, waterproof, and they effectively protect your carpets, trapping messes in their tracks. Just wipe the mats clean and air dry. This full set comes complete with 2 front mats and 2 rear mats, and is available in a variety of vivid colors.